Hello students, welcome once again to online platform of Little Flower School, Salempur. This is Archana with GSC of class 4. Last year we have studied about plants making food, and we have finished everything of that chapter 2. Today we will start with the next chapter, chapter 3, Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. Today we have to start a new chapter. This chapter is very small but very important for you. Animal Kingdom. We know that animals play a very important role in our life. The surroundings in which they live and grow is called their environment. First term came here, environment. What is that? The surroundings in which they live and grow is called the environment. Animal kingdom is very, very large, and in this kingdom we can find variety of animals, big also, small also, and very, very small also. Some lives on the land, and other lives in air, and some other lives in water. Many animals are quite similar to each other, and based on that, we have categorized the animals into two categories. First category is animals with a backbone. Animals with a backbone. And second category is animals without backbone. Animals without a backbone. Animals without a backbone. Animals without a backbone. First, we will study about the animals with a backbone. Animals that have a backbone, they are called vertebrates. What they are called? Vertebrates. Wherever you are sitting, please pronunciate it along with me. Animals with a backbone are called vertebrates. What they are called? Vertebrates. The 5 most well-known groups of vertebrates are. Now I am going to rub the second category because we have to study in detail about this vertebrates. And these vertebrates are again classified into the 5 categories. First one is fish, then amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. We will study about them in detail. First one, fish. Fish are the vertebrates that live in water. Where do they live? They live in water. Fish lives in water. And most fish breathe through gills. How do they breathe? Breathe through the gills. They breathe through gills. And next feature of this fish is how do they swim? They swim using a tail fin. Swim using a tail. That tail is called the fin. Swim using fin. The outer body of many fish is covered with scales. Their body is covered with the scales, which protects the body. Many fish eat plants, and some other fish like sharks eat other fish also. Okay, this is about the first categorization of the vertebrates. Now the second categorization, amphibians. Amphibians. Amphibians are the animals which can live on land also and water also. They are born in water. Where they are born? They are born in water. Amphibians are born in water. When they are born, they breathe with gills. They breathe with gills like a fish. Fish breathe with the gills. No, we have studied here. When they are born, they also breathe like the fish with the help of gills. But when they grow up, they develop lungs. And that's why they can live on land also. Examples of amphibians are frog, toad, newt. These are the example of the amphibians. Now next category is reptiles. Reptiles. Reptiles are a class of animals with scaly skin. Their skin is scaly in nature, or their body is covered with the scales. They are cold-blooded. They are cold-blooded. What is meaning of the cold-blooded? Let's understand. Cold-blooded means they cannot regulate their body temperature according to the surroundings, or they cannot regulate their body temperature. Their body temperature depends on the external temperature. What is meaning of external temperature? Surrounding temperature. Most reptiles, they breathe with the lungs, and some reptiles breathe with the help of the moist skin. So, the breathing organ in the case of reptiles are lungs, not only lungs, but also moist skin. Moist skin. The majority of reptiles lay eggs to give birth to their animals. Snakes, lizards, crocodiles, and turtles are the some of examples of reptiles. Now we will move to the next category of vertebrates, birds. Birds are the animals which can fly in the air. They have feathers and they have feathers and they are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Now, we have to study how do they adopt. Birds have adopted their vertebrate skeleton for flight. Means I told that vertebrates are those animals which have a backbone. They have backbone, then also they can fly. Let's see how. Their bones and skulls are very thin. Bones and skulls are very thin, making their bodies extremely light. Their body becomes extremely light in weight, very, very light. They have a beak to eat with. Pigeon, sparrow, eagle, and woodpecker are among the birds who can fly. But some birds are there, they cannot fly, and that's why they are called the flightless birds. They are called the flightless birds. And example of flightless birds are ostrich, emu, rheas. Ostrich, emu, and rheas. This ostrich cannot fly. Emu also cannot fly. And they are called the flightless birds. Now, last category of the vertebrates is mammals. Mammals. They are the animals that give birth to young or they give birth to the babies and feed them. But there are two mammals, platypus and anteaters. Platypus and anteaters, they do not feed. Platypus and the anteaters. Platypus and anteaters, they do not feed their babies. Mammals are warm-blooded. What is meaning of warm-blooded? Means they can regulate their body temperature. Most mammals walk on the four legs. Only the humans walk upright. We are humans, no? We are standing erect. Upright means erect. But most mammals like cows and the dog, tiger, horse, they are walking on the four legs like this. And the body of mammals are covered with fur or hair. Okay? Most animals or most mammals breathe through lungs. How do the mammals breathe? They breathe with the help of lungs. Example of the mammals are humans, cow, dog, tiger, and horse. I hope that all of you have studied or understood about the first categorization of animals, that is, animals with a backbone. What is the particular name for the animals with a backbone? They are called vertebrates. Now we will study about the second categorization, animals without a backbone. Animals without a backbone. And the animals which do not have backbone, they are called invertebrates. What they are called? Invertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. Please tell along with me. Invertebrates. 97% of all animal species do not have a backbone. Insects, spiders, insects, then spiders, then worms, insects, spiders, worms, snails, scorpions are some examples of invertebrates. Let's study about some of them. Spiders, they have 8 legs. They have 8 legs. All legs are used for walking. Many spiders can produce thread to spin webs for catching their prey. Now, we will study about the insects. Insects are the animals without backbone. They are very adaptable, living almost everywhere in the world. They have 6 legs. How many legs these insects have? 6. And how many legs spiders have? 8. Don't get confused. An insect's body consists of 3 parts: head, thorax, head, thorax, and abdomen. These are the 3 parts of the insect's body. Most insects can fly. Example of insects are housefly, butterfly, beetle, and wasp, bee, and so many insects are there. Now we have finished this chapter. If you have the book, please take your book and pencil for doing the exercise. I hope all of you have understood the chapter very well. This chapter is very small, but it's very important also. And if you do not have bought the book, take your notebook and start doing the exercise along with me. Let's move to the first exercise. Write, please write along with me without wasting any time. We do the exercise. Write T for true. Write T for true and F for false. F for false. First question is animals that have a. Now only you have studied, no? I hope all of you will tell the answer before me. Write it. Animals that have a. Animals that have a backbone. Animals that have a backbone. Animals that have a backbone are called. Animals that have a backbone are called invertebrates. Invertebrates. First question is this. Animals that have a backbone are called invertebrates. Now only we studied that animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. It means this is false. Then what we have to write? F. Now moving to the question number 2. Body of many fishes. Body of many fish is. Body of many fish is covered with scales. Body of many fish is covered with scales. It means it is correct. Now only we discussed about the fish now. So what we have to write? T. Please do it. Don't miss it. Do it please. Now we will move to the next question. 3. Birds are born out of. Birds are born out of. Born out of hard shell. Hard shell. Eggs. Hard shell. Eggs. This is also true, so we will write C. Now moving to the question number 4. All reptiles breathe through gills. Reptiles breathe through gills. Reptiles breathe through gills. This is false because fish breathe through gills, not the reptiles. They breathe with the help of moist skin. So we will write F. Answer for question number 4 is F. False. Now question number 5. All spiders have 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. Is it correct? Now only we studied. Yes, it is correct. So we will write T. T for true. Now moving to the next exercise. Give 2 examples. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Of each of the following. We have to write two examples for the each category, whatever is given. First one is reptiles. Reptiles. Example of two reptiles we have to write. Snakes and lizards. Snakes and lizards are the two examples of reptiles. Snakes and lizards. Now next category, question number 2. Mammals. Mammals. Two examples for the mammals. Humans. Humans and cow. Humans and cow. Now next category, question number 3. Amphibians. Amphibians. Amphibians means those animals which can live on land also and water also. Frog and toad. Frog and toad. Now next category, question number 4. Flightless bird. Flightless bird. What is meaning of flightless bird? Birds which cannot fly. Flightless birds are the birds which cannot fly. And two examples for that is ostrich and emu. Emu and ostrich. Emu and ostrich. Now, last question is remaining. Insects. Now I am going to rub the first question of true false. Insects. We have to write two examples of insects. Now only we studied about the insects. Bee and housefly. Bee and housefly are two examples of insects. Now I am getting aside. You pause the video and write or take the screenshot. Okay? Tomorrow when we come, we will continue with the give reasons. Take your time, understand the things and write and learn it. Thank you, class.